Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to change search engine on Edge browser. First open the browser, then go and click this three dot button and then go to the settings. When you're on the settings, you have to go to this privacy, search and services option. After that, you have to click on this search and connected experience. Click here and after that you'll have to click address bar and search. Click here. So now here you'll be able to see a couple of options to choose your search engine. If you change it, it will be changed. So let's go and search something. You will notice that it is using DuckDuckGo now. Okay. However, if you don't see the search engine here, the one you want to use, you can go to this search engine option. And from there, you can add your own search engine, the one that you like. So this is how you add or change search engine on Edge. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.